Go.
Kids alright?
Go.
Woo! You alright? Alright, check that shit out on YouTube, alright? Take it easy. Think he's gonna do a practice swing?
Probably. Yep.
Oh, let him hit it.
Come on, man.
No, let him hit it. Let him hit it. He can't hit us.
Do it, Happy Gilmore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
What's up, man? I scare you?
Yeah, man. What are you guys doing?
Filming a video of train horn pranks, man.
Another fucking wild Snorlax. You ready, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Keep it going. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, what are you gonna do?
Train's coming.
Train's coming, people.
I can't see.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Stupid ass!
Got this homeless guy sleeping in this? Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's Morgan Freeman.
Fucking Bill Cosby.
Okay.
What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? I'm trying to fucking skate.
Ginger donut souls. How you doing today?
Jackass.
Paul Blart.
Good. Wait. Okay.
Oh shit. Hey, what's your fucking phone?
Hey, calm down, man. Got another guy chasing us.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh, he put on his hazards. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking people can't take a joke.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Hey! Hey!
You got fucking phone,
Hey! What the fuck?